Hello friends, welcome back to HSA English classes. Today we are going to learn the play Pygmalion by George Bernard Shaw. The play is named after a Greek mythological figure. In ancient Greek mythology, Pygmalion fell in love with one of his sculptures, Galatea, which then came to life. Pygmalion is a 1938 British film based on this play, and My Fair Lady is a 1964 American musical comedy drama film. Now let us learn the characters of the play. Professor Henry Higgins, a 40-year-old bachelor who specializes in phonetics and author of Universal Alphabet. Eliza Doolittle, an uneducated flower girl whom Higgins decided to mold into a duchess. Alfred Doolittle, Eliza's father, a dustman with a Welsh accent. Colonel Pickering, a distinguished retired officer and the author of spoken Sanskrit. Mrs. Higgins, Henry Higgins' mother, Mrs. Ainsford Hill, a lady of upper middle class, Clara Ainsford, her daughter, Freddie Ainsford Hill, her son, a young man who is enchanted by Eliza, and Mrs. Pierce, Higgins' housekeeper. Now let us learn the summary of the play. Act 1, Covent Garden, London. In a rainy evening, Professor Higgins, a professor of phonetics, is, is taking notes about the dialect spoken in that area and tries to guess where everyone is from based on their manner of speech. Here he meets a poor flower girl, Eliza Doolittle. Higgins bets his friend Pickering that he could teach the girl to speak so well in just 3 months that she could pass for a noble lady. Act 2, Higgins' Laboratory. Pickering steps in and bets Higgins that he can't teach Eliza to speak so well that she passes as a wealthy lady at an ambassador's garden party in 6 months. He offers to pay for her lessons. Higgins likes the idea and tells his housekeeper, Mrs. Pierce, to wash Eliza and dress her in new clothes. He will teach her to speak standard English. Act 3. A few months later, at Higgins's mother's house, Lisa is ready for her first appearance in society. Invitation for a tea. People don't recognize her as the flower girl. Everybody starts making small talk about weather, and Eliza makes her clumsy comment. Higgins's mother cautions her son about treating Eliza like a live doll, but Pickering assures her that they take Eliza seriously. Higgins refers to Eliza as merely an experiment. Mrs. Higgins worries about what will happen to Eliza when the experiment is over. Act 4. Several months later, Higgins has won his bet. He has taken Lisa to an embassy ball in London where she get mingled with the upper classes and everybody thought she was a foreign princess. The moment of Higgins's triumph is also the moment of Lisa's self-awareness. She realizes that Higgins is only interested in his own success and has no consideration for her as a human being. She leaves his house. Act 5. Next day, Mrs. Higgins's house. Mrs. Higgins scolds Higgins and Pickering for how they treat Eliza and reveals that Eliza is there. Pickering is nice to Eliza, but Higgins is angry and rude to her, ordering her to come back to his house. Eliza thanks Pickering for teaching her good manners, but she says to Higgins that she is a slave despite her expensive clothes. She then says that she can't have kindness from him, she will have her independence. She tells Higgins that she will become a teacher of phonetics, stealing everything she has learned from him in order to take his clients. Higgins is suddenly impressed by Eliza's strength and confidence. Eliza shows she has a will of her own. The last act shows the characters getting ready for Alfred Doolittle and his woman's wedding. Now let us learn some of the important questions from this play. Higgins claims that English is the language of. Answer: Shakespeare, Milton, and the Bible. When the flower girl gets in the taxi at Covent Garden after the thunderstorm, where does she initially tell the taxi cab to take her? Answer: Buckingham Palace. When Alfred Doolittle says he is willing to sell his daughter for £50, Pickering asks him if he has no morals. Alfred says what in response? Can't afford them. Upon finding out about the experiment, Mrs. Higgins thinks that her son and his friend Pickering are infinitely stupid. Who claims that Eliza must be a Hungarian princess? Nepomuk. For what organization must Alfred Doolittle lecture in order to make £3,000 a year? The Vanfella Moral Reform World League. How much money does Alfred Doolittle want for his daughter from Higgins? £5. Thank you.